All right, so we just got this in the Schmales. It's a massager. That's the name of the company. That's the stats. So let's unbox this bad boy and see what we got. This is always the hard part, getting this thing out. Okay, we got it. There we go. All right, it should be just like one full piece. You know what I mean? So here's the instructions. CUPILO, thank you for your purchase. You can see it does come with, I think that's probably a USB-C. Let's see, yeah, USB-C cord. And instructions, which you might want to read them. It's got a little card here. All right, let's take a look at this. Does it have anything on there that we need? It's got extended warranty. All right, it's got the you know, if you want to contact them, there's their email. All right, let's get rid of that. And this is what it looks like. And I'm sure there's more information in here that we may need. Kind of shows you how to put it on. All right, put that over there. And then again, USB-C. Let's unhook her. I think it's pretty long. You don't get a block with these things anymore, you know what I mean? They send you the cord, and this cord's about 3 feet long. So let's put that over there. All right, let's see what we got. Put the box over there too. All right, this is it. It all comes like one giant unit. Here she be. And usually these things are ready to go. They're already charged up. And it's got a little thingamabob here that kind of gives you the breakdown of how it's supposed to be used and what the buttons are for. And there's the buttons. You know, you got a universal power button. I think this is heat. This changes the mode on it. And I think that's also a speed or mode button. All right, so we got power button, mode button, heat button, and speed button. All right, put that over here. So there's the power button. Let's press it, see what happens. You might have to hold it. There it goes. Ooh, look at that. Now this is the mode button, so let's see what happens here. All right, so it's changing. It's like good, dit. Hit it again. And it goes back. It looks like it's got two modes. There's one mode, and there's the other mode. All right, here's the heat. And then I think you'll start to feel it heat up here. Let me see. Okay, and then speed. All right, so look, it's going faster, going slower, going faster, going slower. So if you like it fast or slow. All right, let's go ahead and turn the power button off for a second. Okay, there we are, we're off. It's still moving though. So you're gonna notice it's got like, I don't know how this works. You would think this comes apart somehow. It's got like this thing goes around your waist. That's weird. I mean, you would think that it would, like you could pop it off. Apparently not. All right, well, I'm gonna try it and see what we think, all right? Okay, so here she is, right? It's got this thing here. I mean, I guess you could cut that off. I'm gonna leave it on for now. And I do believe you wanna put it with the name down and the things down. So this is gonna go here, I do believe, like that. And then there's these little things that you can put your arms through like this. Follows me? And of course my hair is gonna get in the way. Should put it in a ponytail. Let me see if I can get it out of the way here. All right, good. Okay, so let's go ahead and power this bad boy up. See what we think. Oh, here we go. Check it out, feels good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Daddy like. See? Get this out of the way. See what she's doing? It's working it in there. So you can kind of move it around a little bit too, you know. and get it in different spots. Yeah. Oh yeah. See? See it? Ooh, that's good. Shall we go with faster speed? All right, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. That feels good. Yeah. It works. Definitely. The harder I pull on it, the deeper I can get it. Too, I can get like some pressure on this son of a gun. Oh yeah, let's see if I can make it. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get a little bit lower. Oh. Whew, it's strong. It's good. Look at that thing, man. It's working my traps big time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get in there. Oh. Oh, that's good. Oh, that feels good. Oh man, I like it hard and rough. I don't know about you guys. I'm getting it in deep. Ooh, I'm pushing that. Look, I got this thing. I'm smushing it in there. Let's see if I can stop it. I'm rolling it down my back too, like that. Pull my arms in. Oh wow. I did 100 push-ups yesterday, so I'm feeling a little rough. Oh, that's feeling good though. Yeah. So when you do buy this, there's the port that you got to charge it with, but you need a block. So I'm going to use my iPhone block. You know what I mean? Jelly beans. Grab this, shove it in my iPhone block. You got to figure out which side to put it in. And then this side here is going to go into the port that's right on the one side, just like that. Get in there. Okay, now I just got to plug this into the wall to charge it. So it's pretty simple. All right, so we're going to charge it. We got it plugged in there. Just got to stick it in there. Damn, Bob's your uncle. Oh shoot, it came unplugged. That's not good. So we got to make sure that this is in here. For some reason it didn't want to go in. This is USB-C. That's what they're all doing now. Oh, there we go. You got to snap it in. So we got it snapped. And I don't know if it's given, oh yeah, it's giving us that red signal. So I'll probably, either that goes out or it turns green. I'm not quite sure. But that's how you charge it right there. All right. Yeah, I think it's worth it. I'd give it a shot, especially if you haven't got anybody to give you a back massage. Give yourself one. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.